Amazon Black Friday deals are going on right now, and by popular demand, I'm bringing back one of my most viewed series, the Amazon Unbelievable Designer Lookalikes. Friends, I have found so many gems, and some of them, they are on discount because, as you have heard me at the beginning, right now, Amazon is having their Black Friday deals, and a lot of the products that I will be showing today, they are on deep discount. And if some of them, they are not participating in the Black Friday deals event, make sure you check on the listing because most likely some of these products, they will have a 5%, 10% off discount, 20% off discount, $5 discount. So there's a little like coupon, little square that you just need to click in to save some money. As per usual, all the products will be listed in order of appearance on the description box below, along with the links for your convenience. And make sure you follow my Amazon storefront because I always keep it updated. Little disclaimer right here, some of these products, they fly out of the shelf and most of you know it. And a lot of them, they come back in stock. So make sure you bookmark the links. Do not blame me. Act fast. As soon as you see something, add it to cart, check it out. And I need your feedback. I wanted to know if you want me to bring the same series, but instead of waiting for me to purchase the item, to receive the item, to show it to you here, we can do a Amazon designer lookalike shopping, like we shop together, me adding to cart things and checking them out. Let me know if you will be interested on that because that way we can shop together those amazing finds. Okay, friends, I cannot wait for you to see this first, baby. Oh my gosh, when you see it. So this is, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is a very much look-alike to the already sold out Saint Laurent moto leather jacket in this color of the season. You know what I'm wearing right now, my nails, burgundy. I remember seeing Tamara Kalinick wearing it first, and it's gone. It's so hard to find, but I found a look-alike at Amazon. Oh my gosh, with all and the details. All of the details. And you know what? It is made out of leather. Yes, it is made out of leather. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna die right here. It's so hot in my room because the sun is just hitting, but you have to see this beauty. So the one from Saint Laurent, like I said, is sold out. There's a lot of brands, like big name brands, that they have followed suit and they are bringing some very look-alike to this jacket. They are all over $1,000. The one from Saint Laurent was like, I think over $5,000. Well, this baby, leather, I mean, it smells like leather, feels like leather. It's just, it's so gorgeous. It is $150. Look, it has all the details, all the details. $150. The best thing, it comes in XXS, extra small, all the way to 3X. That is incredible, unbelievable. This is just stunning. It is so gorgeous for I think it's $149. I'm gonna round it up, $150. Oh my goodness, this leather jacket is just so good. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. My next lookalike, it is from an upcoming brand. I think perhaps 2 or 3 years ago, this brand wasn't really in the loop, like not many people knew about it. But this year I have seen and heard a lot about Savet. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. It is that chocolate brown, suede-like, so gorgeous. It does have the same class. It comes in different colors too, in different type of materials, yeah, different ones. And also they have the east-west style, that is another style that has been very popular. But look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, it does have a really nice, spacious, and just like the Savet bag, this is a top handle that it doesn't come with a strap, so you have to carry it like this, top handle. I do not mind. In fact, I have been loving this very much look-alike to the Loro Piana L19 bag in this kind of ostrich leather kind of situation. It comes in various colors too. The price is just like incredible. $38 right now is in Black Friday deal, and this one does come with a strap. I have been using it quite a bit. You're gonna see it on a favorites video But this baby, oh my gosh, is so gorgeous. So like I said, say a Saver bag, it will cost you around $1,000. This baby, $65. I mean, the shape, the suede-like material, oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. And talking about another color of the season, aside of the burgundy, the coffee, that chocolate brown, Saint Laurent Jeannie heels. Well, look what I found for you, friends. Oh my goodness me. And these also comes in various colors. They have it in, obviously, I say obviously because I mean, who is not going to come out with a burgundy, patent burgundy, like flat burgundy, but these ones are chocolate brown, so gorgeous. Now the ones from Saint Laurent, they do have the YSL logo right here on the golden top. These ones, they don't. Again, these are lookalikes. They are not branded. This is just an inspiration, and they have done something a little bit different. It's not really hammered, but it does have, you know, this a little bit of a slant point, so it just looks so beautiful, very elegant, perfect for the season. The heel too is not too high. Now one thing, I am a 7.5. I went a half size up because I was afraid of this top to be a little bit too narrow, and I'm happy I did so. I think it just works perfectly. This feels a little bit like different because it's very pointy, but hey, if you're all into this style, I will say 100% yes. If you were to get the ones from Saint Laurent, they are over $1,000. These $50. Likewise, you know that I absolutely love these other shoes that I also found at Amazon, very much inspired by another Saint Laurent pair of heels. Super beautiful. These ones I decided to get it in the burgundy tones. I have something chocolate, something burgundy. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to have them. I will have to take this leather jacket because I'm melting down. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's warm, it's leather, and the sun is hitting. So I don't want to die. I want to finish this video here with you. Okay, my next lookalike. It is this cute toad that is very much inspired by Goyard. Oh my goodness me. This is just unbelievable. And just as say that Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, the Goyard bag, these are coated canvas. So, I mean, I do have I do have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. I pay the full price and whatnot. I'm not saying not to or ditching it, but let's be realistic. These tote bags, they are mostly like, you know, go to the market, run errands, do a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? They are not like your fancy bag to take, you know, out and about. And they are pricey. The ones from Goyard, to begin with, you cannot buy them online. You will have to go and buy them in a store. I think the same thing is happening right now with Louis Vuitton and the Neverfull bag. It has become, you know, this kind of like back and forth with Goyard. You cannot buy them online. But anyhow, I think right now in the market, depending on the size, you're talking about paying $2,000. This cost me barely $50. Is super spacious. I mean, look at the bottom, you can see it right there, and it came also with other pouches. I had also found this same bag at a couple other retailers that they are doing this very much inspired lookalike, so make sure you check the description box below. So you have a detachable pouch here that you can use it for your sunnies if you want to, and then another pouch that can serve you to put, I don't know, it looks kind of a little bit of a cosmetic bag that you can put other things inside with a zipper. I mean, it's just perfect. And I mean, for $50 you're getting 3 in 1, and like I said, they have them in all the different colors. I thought, you know what, let me get the green one just because it is the season, fall, winter time. I think this was the color for me, but I'm planning to pick up the blue one and the yellow too because I'm thinking about summertime. They will be amazing to take them to the beach and, you know, all that jazz. Here's where I'm saying that any resemblance with reality is pure coincidence. Friends, on the picture you're gonna see that the listing doesn't have anything. Let's keep it hush hush, I guess. Well, we do not gatekeep, you know what I mean, right? Oh my goodness, I know. They come in different colors. That's what I can tell you. I went with the white ones with navy because I thought, very much appropriate for summertime. If I'm going for a holiday, little vacation, I can take it like such. They are just so, so cute. And the price was a complete steal, $40. If you were to buy the designer ones, you will be paying about $900. In terms of the sizing, I will say they run true to size. Oh my gosh, these are an absolute treasure. Let's go for a jewelry piece. Look what I got. This is very much inspired Lookalike to the Cartier. Just include necklace, which costs about, well, it starts at 13,000, but it goes up and up depending on, obviously, if it has diamonds. Now, this is not gold, not solid gold, obviously, as the one from Cartier, but doesn't have the price of Cartier. This costed $35. It has a mechanism that you go like this and then it opens up. So you put it in, hear the click, and it stays. You need to like push and then move to the side and then it opens up. Let's just put it on really quick so you can see it. There you have it. Super cute. And this is the thing with jewelry pieces or designer pieces that we all know that they are going to go closer to the $1,000 and above. I personally own many designer pieces. I mean, you see some on the back right there. And that's not to brag. It's just to explain myself that I personally, sometimes when I'm looking into something, but I'm not 100% sure because either the function, either if it will be something that I will use often enough for me to spend, that chunk of money. I enjoy very much shopping around Amazon. Check out the Lookalike item, try it before I buy it. The next bag is one that you have seen me purchasing in another color, and I like it so much the way that it functions that I had to get it on this other color. And this is I know I'm holding it here, but I just want to explain myself that sometimes there are certain designer bags and you're looking for something that is a look-alike, but sometimes certain functions of one bag mixed with another bag, it just makes of the perfect bag. Well, let me show it to you which one I'm talking about. This baby, it's very much inspired to say a Bottega Veneta kind of bag in the fondant color. This is the color that I was saying. I hope the camera is able to show you. I film in 4K resolution, but this is kind of like a between deep chocolate brown and a deep burgundy tone. It's a very interesting shade of reddish. It's kind of like if you were to leave a little bit of wine in a glass. I know fruit fly central, but anyhow, that very dark kind of shade. Bottega calls it fondant, and what I'm saying that is kind of like a mix between two designers, because this chain is very much alike to say a Chanel kind of chain with this pearl adjuster, which that's what I'm saying. This is just that in between. I do have a mini Chanel 22 bag that my friends, I absolutely love. And if you had watched my Chanel bag collection, you know that one of my complaints is that it doesn't have a clasp closure. Look at this. Issue solved. Super cute, super beautiful. I can adjust the strap however I want it for crossbody or shoulder. I mean, it's just adorable. It's so, so cute. Anyhow, friends, the price of this baby, $25. If you're talking about Bottega bag, they are around $4,000, $5,000. If you're talking about Chanel, doesn't go any lower than $5,000. This comes in multiple different colors, not only dark colors, also pastel colors, so many colors. And I think it's just so cute. And it does have that designer kind of vibe. Talking about Chanel, look what I found. This very much inspired look-alike slim bag flats. If you were to purchase, mostly tweed from Chanel, you were looking to about $1,500, almost $2,000 for the very special ones. My goodness, this is just so cute. It comes in different colors too, which is so much fun. There's even a white one that reminds me to the 24 Cruise collection. 25 Cruise collection has launched for those Chanel lovers, but anyhow. we can talk about Chanel in another video. This is so cute and it matches so well with, this is the real thing. This is a Chanel colored Kelly bag in tweed with the little sparkles, but look at this. They are just so close. I mean, this one doesn't have the little, they are not sparkles, but they are, what is it called? Sequins. There you have it. I mean, like, should I sew some sequins on this one and rock them together? Certainly I should, because they look super cute. And the price, friends, $35. I mean, it was a no-brainer, as it was a no-brainer to get the ones with the rhinestones. My goodness, do you remember when Sofia Richie on one of her pre-wedding events used these babies? They went viral last year. It was so hard to find. And this is the thing with Chanel, when there's something very specific like these ones with rhinestones, they don't carry them all the time. They are seasonal items. And I know in the pre-love market, these ones, they go for over $4,000. Obviously, it doesn't say Chanel anywhere, but hey, definitely has a nod to the Chanel slim bag, flat, super cute and perfect for the season. I mean, like $35. The ones from Chanel, they only will have a CC logo here, not even in the toe cap. So that's something that, I mean, it's a pleasure, obviously, if you want to get yours. I have done it myself too. For a matter of fact, my Chanel tweed bag, I got it through a personal shopper, so I know the feeling. I totally know the feeling, but anyhow, I was not going to pay $4,000 for rhinestones that they make them of. $35, it's perfect for me. There you have it. I save you $30,000. Yes, if you were to buy each of the products that I showed today, obviously the designer version, you would have paid $30,000. If you were to purchase each of the items that I showed today, you will barely make it to $400. I would love to hear from you. Which are the items that you want to add to your cart immediately? So make sure you leave your comment on the comment section down below. While you're at it, I mean, it's very close by. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads, mostly by having that post notification bell on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends. Let's grow our family, not only here on YouTube, but also Instagram. If you're on TikTok, come and follow me there. And if you're not done watching my content, well, guess what? I have more Amazon content up next. See you then. Bye.
Entre as ruas, já não vejo mais meus horizontes.